Introduction to seated yoga for chronic pain.
Seated yoga offers safe, gentle stretches for those living with chronic pain or limited mobility. These poses can be done from a chair, making yoga accessible to everyone. Practicing seated yoga may help reduce discomfort, increase flexibility, and provide a sense of calm. Let's explore how these simple movements can support your well-being, no matter your ability level.
Benefits of seated yoga poses.
Practicing seated yoga regularly can relieve muscle tension, improve joint mobility, and boost circulation. People with chronic pain often find these gentle stretches reduce stiffness and promote relaxation. Seated yoga can also enhance posture, balance, and breathing, all without putting strain on the body. Even a few minutes a day can lead to a noticeable difference in comfort and flexibility.
Gentle neck and shoulder stretches.
Start with soft neck rolls. Gently tilt your head from side to side, holding each stretch for a few breaths. Then, try simple shoulder rolls, lifting your shoulders up, back, and down in smooth circles. These movements help release upper body tension and are especially helpful for anyone who spends a lot of time seated.
Seated forward fold and twist.
A seated forward fold involves sitting tall in your chair and slowly hinging forward from the hips, allowing your hands to rest on your knees. This gentle stretch eases back tightness. To incorporate a seated twist, place one hand on your opposite knee and gently rotate your upper body, holding the twist for a few breaths on each side. These poses help increase spine flexibility.
Seated leg and ankle stretches.
Extend one leg forward while seated and flex your foot. Then circle your ankle to encourage healthy blood flow. Repeat with the other leg. These simple leg and ankle stretches can relieve stiffness and support joint health, which is especially important for people with limited mobility in the lower body.
Relaxation and breathing techniques.
End your practice with a few moments of deep, mindful breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your abdomen rise, then exhale gently through your mouth. This relaxation technique can help calm the nervous system, reduce pain sensations, and leave you feeling refreshed after your seated yoga session.